Smog in the city. The number of vehicles and factories in cities is increasing, and the air is becoming more polluted every year. What can we do about it? The problem with fumes from cars is that they poison the air and can make people ill, especially children. Also, smoke from homes and factories makes the air dirtier, and smog levels increase. This makes life in cities very unpleasant. There are some solutions to this problem. We can use buses and trains to travel around the city. Some cities have already stopped cars from driving in the centre. Also, we should move factories to the countryside and put filters in their chimneys. In these ways, we can reduce the amount of air pollution. To conclude, we can all help reduce the amount of air pollution. This way, we can enjoy a healthier life.